Miss Patsy and the church hat drama. Me people, come here because me have to tell you know what go on at church the other day. Me say Miss Patsy make herself into the biggest laugh for the month. Who no ready for hear the mix up? Alright, who no know how Miss Patsy love to show off when she go church. Not true. The woman no wear regular church hat, you know. She always have to have the biggest, brightest hat in the congregation. Last week Sunday, she walk in with one way big like an umbrella. Yeah. It cover half of the pew. The whole church, the hat have feathers and flowers and one big bow will look like it would have fly off any minute now. But wait, that not even the funny part yet. So the choir starts singing now. Miss Patsy did swinging side to side, says she in her spirit. But me notice something strange. Her hat starts lean. At first, me think it's the breeze from the fan. But no, sir. It get worse. Me say all of a sudden, one big lizard crawl out of the hat. Me say the lizard jump on Patsy's shoulder. And the woman bawl out, Jesus! Help! Help! Help me! She grabbed the hat and fling it away and start to run out of the church. Me say the whole congregation mash up. Even the pastor have to put down the Bible. And guess what? The hat land by Sister Marcia Lapa, she ball out too. Come fi find out, Miss Patsy left the hat in a closet too long. And the lizard decide fi move in. Me say, the woman no come back church since that. Them still a talk about the lizard hat. So the moral of the story, sometime style no worth the stress. Make sure you check your hat before you try to show off. You never know what inside. Alright, me lovies, stay humble, stay blessed. And remember, keep your hat